Okay, in this tutorial we'll see how Jira can be used in software development and how it is beneficial. So first what you need to do is go into Google and search Jira. Okay, and log in with your email ID and password. After logging in, you will be greeted with a page, home page. So go to projects and put on create new project. So we will be using the Scrum technology. So click on Scrum, use template, select team manage project. Now you need to give a simple name of your project. So I'll just put as online shopping. Okay. Okay, it's already created. So I'll just put an underscore in between. Put the same as on or anything you like. Create project. The thing which I will be following, you don't need to necessarily follow the same exact steps. Okay, so it is on upon your creativity. You can change it however you like. It doesn't mean that if the description I have given is something else, so you need to just keep the same. You can change it however you like. So go to backlog, click on go to backlog. So as this is a new project, nothing will be seen. So before we go on to that, we have to create a version. So what a version is basically the stages. So 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, etc. So to add that, click on add view, more features. You will have something called as releases. Enable that. Come to back to project. You will have this new thing will be added called releases. Click on that. Create version. So I'll just give a name like v1.0. Okay. I'll put today's date. I'll just keep it a very small project, so I'll just have it 2 weeks. That's enough. So yeah, 2 weeks. Okay. So for the description, I'll put like initial build, as this is our first project, like first variation of the project. So I'll keep an initial build. See, the description doesn't have to be the same. You can keep it however you like. Okay. So I'll come back to backlog. Yes. Okay. Now we need to create an epic. As we have created a version, now we have to create a epic. So we'll click on create. We'll keep the issue type as epic. Put it as on in progress, or it's your wish. Okay. And summary, I'll put it like online shopping backend. I'll just put it backend underscore on. Okay, it's your wish. Summary can be anything you like. Put a description, and we'll put a start date as today and end date as after 2 weeks. Okay, so yeah. Okay, 2 weeks or it doesn't matter, it's your wish. I'll just put it as Friday 1.0 as version and click on create. So you will get this message like you have created on-1 issue. Okay, so after that is done, after we have created the epic, we need to create a story. So to create a story, again click on create, select the issue type as story, click on in progress or anything you like. So the first I would like to keep will be registration. So I'll put registration. Description, mention a description like the user creates an email ID, user ID and password, so that they can access the website or application. Okay. So that this doesn't have to be the same. You can keep it however you like. Again, I'll repeat it. The story estimate, you can leave it blank for now. And version, select the same version as 1.0 and click on create. So you need to do this for like the rest of the things like login, search, purchase and log out. So I'll just do one more and show it to you. So okay, extra has been created, delete sprint. Yeah. So as you can see, this is in our backlog. Okay, so I'll do the same. I'll put create. story. Okay, in progress. After that, login. User logs into the website. Then sprint. Yeah, just select this. You can be done later. This can be done later, not an issue. So fix version. If you want, you can just put it directly here. So it will be, this thing is there right here. Wait, I'll just show it to you properly. This backlog, it will be directly gone to here. No, you don't need to drag and drop it. So just for the sake of the video, I'll just leave it blank and fix version and put create. So you need to do the same for the rest of the things. Okay, so I'll just pause the video so that it wouldn't become lengthy. Yes. So as you can see, I have created all of the story points. So I'll just change them to in progress, and this can be done however you like. It doesn't matter. Yes. Okay. So now after we have created the stories, what we can do is we can create the sub stories, like what you say, child stories for all of these. Okay, child issues, as you can say. For registration, for example, I'll just click on registration. So you just need to click on the story, click on add, click on child issue. So subtask, it's a subtask basically. Child issue means subtask. So basically inside this story of registration, what else needs to be done inside that? In more detail, we need to specify it, right? So for example, for registration meaning, give unique, you can give anything, it doesn't matter. Unique user ID to each user. Okay, I'll just create a subtask for like that. And another subtask which I can give would be like make sure user is above 18. It is your wish, it doesn't have to be the same, you can give however you like it. Okay, so after we have created the child issues, what we can do is we can close it. Okay, now we have created a sprint, right? So this would be automatically created based on the name of the project. So if you want to create a sprint, you can just click on create sprint over here. So we have, it has already been created. So what I need to do is just drag and drop. Okay, so OS sprint 1, I have to drag and drop all of this into our sprint board. Okay, as you can see, the tasks have been gone to the sprint. Okay, so we need to assign story points to each of the this story. So for example, registration, I'll give like 9 story points. For login, I'll just give like 4. For search a product, 5. This is your wish, it doesn't have to be the same. Purchase a product, again 6. Log out, 4. Okay, after adding the story points, you can add the epic as well. Okay, so just click on backend for everything. Okay, after you have done all of this, what you need to do is you need to start the sprint. So click on start sprint. So as this covers my whole project, for example, this, all of this will create my backend application. So I'll just give the whole project 2 weeks. So my duration was 2 weeks, right? So I'll just give 2 weeks or 1 week, it is your wish. So start date would be this, end date would be that. And sprint goal. So sprint goal, what have I achieved by creating this? So successfully created the backend end of the online shopping application. I'll click on start. This can be anything, doesn't have to be the same. Okay, I'll just give 1 week for this. So as I need to create the front end also, it would make more sense to give only 1 week. And I'll put start. Okay, so now you can see that it has come to our board. From our backlog, it has come to the board. So these all tasks are in progress. So for example, I have completed the registration, meaning I can just drag it and drop it into the done part. Okay, so this indicates that yes, the registration part has been completed. The team has to work in the next login page, then the search product page. Okay, I'll just put all of them in done. Okay, if you have completed this much, this successfully completes the experiment of creating a Jira project. Okay, thank you.